Democracy. We hear this word everywhere. We are told that we are free. We told that we have power because we can vote. But let me ask you a question. Is democracy just voting every few years? Is democracy just election speeches and promises? Or is democracy something much deeper, something that depends not only on government but on citizens? To understand democracy, we must first understand where this word even came from. The word democracy comes from ancient Greece. It comes from two Greek words, demos, which means people, and kratos, which means power. So democracy literally means power of the people. The first democracy began in ancient Athens around 2500 years ago, where citizens gathered and made decisions together. But democracy was not perfect even then. Not everyone could vote. Women, slaves, and poor people were excluded. This shows something very important. Democracy has never been perfect. It is something societies are still trying to improve even today. Imagine a classroom choosing a class monitor. One student is honest and hardworking. Another student entertains everyone and gives chocolates. Students vote for the entertaining students. He becomes monitor, but he does not do any work. The class suffers. Now, whose fault is it? The monitors or the class students who choose them? This is democracy. People choose their leaders and then they live with the consequences. Many people think democracy means voting once every few years and then forgetting everything. But democracy does not happen by accident. Every generation must understand it, protect it, and rebuild it. Democracy needs citizens, not just voters. Many people think freedom is permanent, but freedom is not a prize given to a person just because he was born in a free country. Freedom survives only when citizens are aware, responsible, and brave enough to speak against wrong things. Democracy does not die in one day. Democracy dies slowly when citizens become silent. Democracy cannot be saved merely through election. Voting is important, but voting alone cannot save democracy. Democracy also cannot be saved by free gifts, relief packages, or temporary help to poor people. Democracy is not charity. Democracy is responsibility. In modern times, we are told that we are free because we can choose what to buy, what to eat, where to study, and where to go. But real freedom is not the freedom to choose between brands. Real freedom is the ability to afford education, healthcare, and a dignified life. A poor worker can enter a big shopping mall, but he cannot afford most things inside. So is that a real freedom? Democracy cannot survive where there is a huge economic inequality. Earlier, families and communities depended on each other, but now many people think only about themselves, their comfort, their success, and their lifestyle. This selfishness slowly kills the spirit of good citizenship, and even without good citizens, democracy not survive. One of the biggest dangers to the democracy today is propaganda. People are shown big buildings, big projects, military powers, and emotional speeches, and slowly people stop asking important questions. Sometimes people behave like a school of fish, following one leader blindly without thinking. Democracy fails when people follow blindly. Democracy needs thinkers, not followers. Democracy needs education, not just education that teaches us how to earn money, but education that teaches us how to think. People must learn how to question, how to understand media, how to understand politics, and how to understand society. Democracy needs thinking citizens, not silent followers. True democracy does not create narrow-minded people. True democracy creates citizens who think not only about their own group, religion, caste, or region, but about humanity and the world. Democracy should create responsible world citizens, not blind followers. The biggest danger to democracy is not dictatorship. The biggest danger to democracy is silent citizens. When people become selfish, democracy becomes weak. When people stop reading and thinking, democracy becomes weak. When people believe propaganda without questioning, democracy becomes weak. When people follow leaders blindly, democracy becomes weak. When people stay silent, democracy slowly dies. So remember this, democracy is not just voting, democracy is not just election, democracy is not just speeches and promises. Democracy is responsibility, democracy is awareness, democracy is education, democracy is courage, democracy is the voice of people. Democracy does not fail because of bad leaders. Democracy fails when people do nothing. The future of a nation depends on its government, it depends on its citizens. Speak, think, question, participate, because democracy needs citizens, not spectators.